Hello friends, today we are learning 6th standard maths first chapter knowing our number exercise number 1.3. In previous classes we seen exercise number 1.1, 1.2, now we are taking 1.3. The 1.3 is totally is an estimated. Already in previous class we taken estimated also how to estimate round of the number nearest to 10, nearest to 100, nearest to 1000. Now all the questions which today we are taking that is nearest to and round off numbers. Now today we will take exercise number 1.3 one by one question. This is exercise number 1.3. The first question is estimate each of the following using general rule. Now what is the general rule? General rule means the nearest number. What is the last number? That number you have to be nearest. Here the first question is 730 plus 998. So here this is 100. So round off to the 100 and round off to the 100. So when you round off to the 100, 730 when you round off it became a 700. And 998 when you round off it became a 1000. So here the question is written rounding off 730 when you round off it became 700 nearest to 100 and 998 when you round off it became 1000. Now you have to do the addition of this both number 700 plus 1000 that is equal to 1700. So what we did, it is called general rule. General rule means we have to see the last digit which is there, it is the 100. So round off to the 100, round off to the 100. Now second question. The second question is 796 minus 340. When you do this 796 nearest to the hundreds, it became 800. And 314 when you round off it became 300. So here you have to do 796 minus 314. This 796 became 800. 314 became 300. So 800 minus 300 that is equal to 500. So this was the second question. Now we will see the third question. Now we will see the third question. The third question is 12,904 plus 2,888. Now here is the last number is thousands place. So this number you have to convert into 1000. So that 12,904 when you convert into 1000, this became 13,000. And 2,888 when you convert into 1000, that number is became 3000. Because last number is 1000, so we are converting into 1000. So this 12,904 became 13,000. 2,888 became 3,000. When you add both the number, this is 16,000. So this is nearest. This is called the general rule. Now with this all we are doing the general rule. In general rule you have to choose the last digits. What is that? This is also 1000 and this is also 1000. So 28,292 minus 21,496. When you convert this 28,292 nearest to thousands. So this 28,000 when you round off, so this became 28,000 because you know the rules. According to the rules, you have to convert this number 28,292 when you convert into 1000, this became 28,000. So there 28,000 and 21,496 when you convert into 1000, this number became 21,000. So 28,000 minus 21,000. 28,000 minus 21,000, so that became 7,000. So this is a general. Now in the question textbook it's given some, take your own example and solve that. So here I taken some example, you take your own example. Now we will go toward the second question. The second question is now here I taken some 10 examples. So you can take any 10 examples or 5 examples, 4 examples, that is depend upon you according to the question we see. Now second question is given. Give a rough estimate by rounding off to nearest 100 and also a closer estimate by rounding off to nearest 10. The same question we have to first convert into nearest to 100, rounding off to 100 and solve. Afterwards that question only we have to rounding off to 10 and solve. One by one we will see here. Now first question. 439 plus 334 plus 4,370. These all number first you have to nearest to 100. Make the number nearest to 100, rounding to the 100. So 439. When you nearest to make to 100, that number became 400. When you make this number nearest to 100, this number became 400. When 334 you have to make to nearest to 100, this number became a 300. And 4317 when you make nearest to 100, this number became 4300. So this 400 nearest, this is became a 300 nearest, and this became 4300. Now you have to add this all number. When you add, the answer became was 5000. This is the first question, nearest to 100. The same question we are doing to the nearest to 10. Now this number when you go to the nearest to 10, 439 when you make the nearest to 10, it became 440. Here I get 440. 439 nearest to 10, it is 440. 334 nearest to 10, it became 330. And 4317 when you do nearest to 10, it became 4320. Once again, this question, same question we are doing to nearest to 10. So 439 became 440. 334 became 330, and 4317 became 4320. Now add this number. When you add this number, you will get the answer 5090. This was the first question. Now, second question. Second question, 1,08,734 minus 47,599. According to the question, first you have to make it nearest to 100. So here we did nearest to 100. So 1,08,734 when you make it nearest to 100, so that number became 1,08,700, and 47,599 when you make nearest to 100, that became 47,600. Now minus this both the numbers, subtract both the number. When you subtract, you will get 61,100. This is nearest to 100. Now same question we are going to the nearest to 10. When you make this 1,08,734 nearest to 10, so this became 1,08,730. Here I written 1,08,730. And this when you do nearest to 10, so this is 47,599. So it is going to be 47,600. Again subtract this. After doing the nearest to 10, you will get 61,130. This is nearest to 10. Now the next question. The next question, 8,325 minus 495. First you have to do rounding of the nearest to 100. So this 8,325 when you make it nearest to 100, this number became 8,300. So that number became 8,300. Now when you do this nearest to 100, so 491 became 500. So 491 became 500 when you do the nearest to 100. So 8,300 minus 500, that is equal to 7,800. This is nearest to 100. Now same question for the nearest to 10. 8,325 when you make to nearest to 10, it became 8,330. 8,330. 491 when you make to nearest to 10, it became 490. 490. So 8,330 minus 490, that is equal to 7,840. 7,840. This we did nearest to the tens. Now next question, D question. 4,89,348 minus 48,365. First we are doing this both the number nearest to 100 according to the question. So when you do this 4,89,348 nearest to 100, that number became 4,89,300. This 348 became 300. We are doing the nearest to hundreds. So this number is going to be 100. So 348 nearest to 300. So 4,89,300. Now this number 48,365. Now 365 nearest to 400. So 48,400 when you convert it to 100. So 48,400. Now 4,89,300 minus 48,400. When you subtract this both the number, you will get the answer 4,40,900. Now this is nearest to 100. Next the same question nearest to 10. So 4,89,348 when you do nearest to 10, the number between 4,89,350. Now 48,365 when you round off to nearest to 10, so 48,370. 48,370 minus both the numbers. When you minus both the number, 4,40,980. So this was the question. Now next question we will see. Again here is given solve some examples. So here I taken some example. You can take your own example and solve. Again I taken 4 example here. You also do 4 examples. The third question is the last question. Now what is the third question? Estimate the following product using general rule. Now we have to estimate the following product with the general rule. Again general rule means you have to see the last digit, whatever the last digit. So here is the 100, last one here is also hundreds. So this number you have to round off to the hundreds, this number round off to the hundreds. So 578 when you round off 578 nearest to 100, this number became 600, and 161 when you round off nearest to 100, this number became a 200. So 578 when you round off nearest to 100, so this became a 600. 161 when you round off nearest to 100, this number became a 200. So 600 multiplied by 200, that is called how much? 1,20,000. So what we did again here, again we are converting the number into nearest to the general rules. So general rules you have to see, the last digit is the 100, so that number you have to going to be convert. So this number you have to convert into nearest to 100, nearest to 100. 578 became 600, 161 became 200, 600 multiplied by 200, that is equal to 1,20,000. Second question. The second question is 5,281. Here is the last number is 1000, so convert nearest to the thousands. And here also 3,491. Again it is converted to 1000. So 5,281 when you round off to the nearest to 1000, this number became 5,000 because we are round offing nearest to the thousands. So 5,281 became 5,000 and 3,491 became 3,000. So 5,000 multiplied by 3,000, that is equal to 15. This is what 1 tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 1 crore 50 lakhs. 1 crore 50 lakhs. Once again, 5,281 we are rounding towards thousands. So this number became a 5,000, and 3,491 we are converting nearest to thousand. So that number became a 3,000. 5,000 multiplied by 3,000, that became 1 crore 50 lakh. 1 crore 50 lakh. Next question. 1,291 and 592. Now here what happened? This is in thousands and this is in hundreds. So you this number convert into nearest to thousands, and this number you have to convert into hundreds because the last year is 100. So when this number you are converting into 1,291, when you convert nearest to thousand, that number became a how much? How much? 1,300. It is 1,291 when you convert into 1000, that is 1,300, and this 590 to convert into 100 is became a 600. Once again please pay attention. This is 1,291 multiplied by 592. This both number convert into same. So this number became 1,300, and this number became a 600. So 1,300 multiplied by 600. So this is 7,80,000. This is called the general rule. Both the cases we converted into the nearest to the 100. Now the last question, today's last question. 9,250 multiplied by 21. So this 9,250 when you convert nearest to 1000, so this number became a 9,000. This number became a 9,000. And 29 convert nearest to the tens, that became a 30. So 9,000 multiplied by 30, that is equal to 2,70,000. So this was the exercise number 1.3. Some more examples you can solve yourself at home. Practice this as we learned before the general rule. If you not understand this, see that video general rule, estimated the number. Afterwards come here, solve, practice this. Thank you. Good day.